Hey guys, so I just stopped by Dollar Tree right now. Today's actually Wednesday. I had to come and pick up something from work that we have to work on before we go back. So on my way back home, or actually on my way to lunch, because I'm meeting some of my family for lunch, I decided to stop at Dollar Tree. And I look that way because Dollar Tree is over there. And I just wanted to share what I found with you all. Sometimes I love it, just automatically sharing what I find with you all as soon as I buy it. So that's what I'm going to try today. I know it's kind of odd to have me filming here in the car, but I like it. I wouldn't mind seeing Dollar Tree hauls filmed in the car. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to show you some of the things that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I hope you enjoy my video. So without further ado, let's get to the haul. Now, I will say one thing. The only bad thing about filming in my car, since I don't have anywhere to prop up my phone on, my hand hurts. But I'm doing this for you all, so just keep that in mind when you're watching. I just had one bag of purchases, and I didn't spend more than $15, so that's always awesome. Alright guys, so we're going to be decorating something at school. I can't say it yet because I want to surprise you all. If you follow me on my Instagram, I will surprise you with a picture of what we will be decorating. If you don't, I'm going to link my Instagram handle right here so that you can follow me there. But since we're decorating a little something, I was looking for stickers. I'm sorry guys, my arm hurts, so I'm going to put you over here. So I was looking for stickers or something to decorate this item with. But I found these little stickers. Aren't they cute? I'm going to try to show them to you. But what really sold me on this was the back, and it says girl boss, and I just had to pick it up, so I picked that one up. And then I absolutely love this one, but this one's not as big, and not as colorful, but hopefully it's good, and it works out good. And this says kindness is free, sprinkle that stuff everywhere. So it's just a little sticker, and it will end up looking like that. Hopefully you all can see that. But I picked up those items so that I could decorate what we have to decorate this summer for work. And I'll show you that in my Instagram. On the same theme of decorating, I also picked up these really cute shaker stickers. And these are labeled girl power stickers. Look at them. They're gorgeous. Hopefully you all can see. And if you shake them, you have that little glitter or the little sequins down there. So I picked these up. One of them says girl boss, you go girl, fierce, you are strong, she believes she could, so she did. I love that one. And it's a girl thing. So those are the stickers I picked up also to decorate. So next up, we're talking about storage. I love storage deals at Dollar Tree because they're so inexpensive and they're so good. So the first thing I found was this organizer. It's just a clear organizer. I want to organize my drawers in my vanity, so I picked this one up. And then the next organizer I picked up is this one. I actually picked up 3 of these, but this one has like 3 compartments, like you see right there, and these are awesome. I remember I purchased these a long time ago at Walmart or Target, I don't remember, but they were about $7 each. These are $1 a piece, so I purchased 3 of these in order to get me more organized. I purchased these little wipies, makeup wipes. They look like that. I've never tried these before. I was just kind of wondering if they were as good as the Neutrogena ones, the blue packaged ones. So I like these just in case when I swatch something in my hand or my foundation or a lipstick, I can just clean it up and not use up the really expensive ones or the more expensive ones. And these were just $1. Also at my Dollar Tree, they have these So Natural snacks. They are peach freeze-dried slices, and they look like this. I already purchased a bag of these last time, and they were actually strawberries, and they're really good. So I picked up the peach ones right now just to have as a snack whenever I'm feeling kind of like I need something sweet. So I picked those up. But last but not least, I purchased these. They're by the Disney brand. They're called Tsum Tsums. I think that's how you say them. They're super cute. They had a large variety of them at my Dollar Tree, but I got this little Tsum Tsum. I think his name is Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. He's super cute. I just love him because I have a dog that is super attitude, like her attitude is just like Eeyore, so I had to pick Eeyore up. And then I got this one for my brother. It's Stitch. How cute is that? And it's also from the Tsum Tsum line and the Disney line, and they were only $1. So I picked this up for my brother because his dog is just like Stitch. So both of these, and they were only $1. There was so much to choose from: Winnie the Pooh and a bunch of other Disney and even Star Wars characters. But I found those at the dollar just for $1. So if you want to pick up prices for your kids, or you're really into collecting these are a good little thing to have. Guys, that's about it. That's everything that I picked up on my Dollar Tree little mini visit on this lovely Wednesday. It is super hot, guys. It is 103 degrees here in Texas, but that's okay. I'm in the aircon. But anyways, I have to go meet my family for some lunch. I'm so glad you stopped by to check out my channel and to check out my video. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you click out of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have many more hauls to come, and I'll see you on the next time, guys. Bye.